Hello, dear friends, welcome to Yatra Box, and today we are going to a very beautiful place called Jogni Falls, Manali. So, we started our trek early morning near about 11 a.m. in the morning just to be there at the correct time to see the views and the beautiful nature. During this trek, you will see different kind of cafes, restaurants, and tiny little waterfalls to make yourself relax and get ready to see the best that is yet to come. If you are trekking for Jogni Falls, you only need stamina, and only stamina. In between our ways, we also saw different adventurous activities like zip lining that we did when we came down from the waterfall. But when we going, so lots of things came in our way to make us feel more excited towards our trek. Cotton candy. We still need to trek more, as you can see the view and the height that we have to go. So we keep on trekking. Don't forget to take water bottles, biscuits, and any light snack things with you. Different kind of thoughts will stuck in your mind that let us stop this trekking, just go back, it's too tough, but just be on your way because the beautiful things yet to come. Waiting for my partner. Actually, we were the group of four people, so I just wait every time for my partners to come, and then we start our trek again. And the same way, we complete our journey to Jogni Falls. Finally, guys, wait is over. Jogni Fall is in front of us. After reaching Jogni Falls, I still continued my path just to see the outside as well the inside beauty of this amazing waterfall, and that was so insane and so beautiful that you can see in my video.